Caroline. Today, we are making homemade chocolate chip cookies. Don't go buy those Chips Ahoy. Make these instead. They're better than those little store-bought little chocolate chip cookies. Just make these instead. Let's go. Okay, so the main ingredients we're going to be using today is flour, all-purpose flour. Yeah, okay. Some brown sugar, chocolate chips, 2 eggs, and two sticks of butter, vanilla extract, sugar, just regular white sugar, baking soda, and some salt. Today we are going to be using what's this called again?
A stand mixer.
Stand mixer. Okay. And you can whisk it by hand or use one of those little, like, handheld things like this. But today we're just going to be using this. So we're going to put both of our sugars and our butter into here. And then we're going to put it on the stir setting just till it gets light and fluffy. Okay, so let's put our brown sugar first into our... And then we're going to put our half a cup... Oh, I didn't tell you. 1 cup of brown sugar. So, and then a half a cup of regular sugar, just regular white sugar. And then 2 sticks of your butter. Just put that in really quickly.
And it's important that the butter's softened. If it's not room temperature, then you can put it in the microwave for just a few seconds.
That's what we did. Because we don't have room temperature butter. Not wasting anything. Okay, that's good. I'm not doing that anymore. That's going to be anxiety. Put this down. Then we're going to lock it in place. Oh, good. We're going to just put it on the stir setting. Just till it's light and fluffy.
That'd be good.
Okay. So, this is going to be on low. And while it's on low, we're going to add our 1 teaspoon of salt. So let's add that in real quick. So mix. Then 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Yep.
Into
Not open. Oh wait, I got it.
this. Careful.
It smells good.
That's good.
1. And then
2. And do a little dash more. Yeah, way too much.
and we're gonna add 2 eggs. Let that beat. So we're gonna add our all-purpose flour and how many cups is this, Dad?
2 1/4 cups.
2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. So we're gonna add that into this bowl right now. Okay. Then we're gonna add half a teaspoon of baking soda into the mixture, and then we're gonna whisk that up. Okay, so we're gonna add our baking soda and flour mixture into our stuff that we made until it's all combined. So let's add that.
Careful.
Take that out. Okay, so let's. Now let's yoink like that. Should I yoink it? Okay, yoink it down. Lock it in place. And then low. God. Okay, so at this stage, you've got to the point where all your wet ingredients and dry ingredients have been mixed up together. So you can add anything, like Reese's Pieces, nuts,
M&Ms.
M&Ms.
We're gonna do what?
We're gonna do chocolate chips. You can even do white chocolate chips if you want to.
Chocolate chunks.
Chocolate
So that's the cool part about this recipe is we can add all kinds of things, right?
Mhm.
Cool.
Okay, let's add them in.
Yep.
Probably.
Now you can go ahead and add them in, and you can.
They won't all go in without me spilling some. If we didn't say before, preheat your oven to 350. So we're gonna get dollops of our cookie dough and we're gonna put them into balls. And we need 1 tablespoon of it, so...
Use a tablespoon and just little dollops. We're gonna go 2 inches apart on our parchment paper that's on a sheet pan.
This way, right here?
Yep.
Okay.
Perfect.
This is not going to plan.
And this is the tricky part. It is sticky, so if you need some help, ask for some help.
Ask for adult supervision. Okay, so we're gonna pop these in the oven and we're gonna wait about 8 to 10 minutes. So let's go. Okay, so we just got these out of the oven and they smell like a crumble cookie. And they look divine. So they smell so good. So we're gonna taste test one. So let's dip it in our milk. Try. 10 out of 10. Dad, do you want one?
Sure. Thanks.
Roxanne? Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. Bye, guys.